Namaste to all. The first breathing exercise, you inhale and slowly exhale with hissing sound, which we call Ujjayi breathing. Inhale fully, exhale slowly with hissing sound. Inhale fully, filling the lungs nicely with the oxygen and exhaling all the CO2 out. Keep doing. Inhale, fill the lungs, exhale. Now here you need to add Ujjayi breathing in each exhalation which you are doing. Ujjayi breathing is a hissing sound through the throat while exhaling. So you are inhaling and slowly make a sound as I am doing in the video. Inhale and exhale through the hissing sound in the throat. Why Ujjayi breathing? Because Ujjayi breathing is very good for strengthening your immune system. So maintain it. Inhale. Now I'm doing with the holding of the breath and slowly exhale. So you inhale slowly, fully, probably in 4 counts, and hold for 4 counts, and then you slowly exhale with hissing sound. So like this you do 20 slow and 20 fast. Slowly exhale, or you can just do with me as I'm showing in the video, the full sequence every day. If you do these breathing exercise continuously for 20 to 25 days, you will see the changes in your immunity. Keep doing and relax. While relaxation, be completely effortless, where you're not putting any efforts on the body and no efforts on the breath, completely effortless. Hands in mudra, relaxing, mind focused on the breath. Now next breathing, where you keep your hands like this and you open your chest fully and exhale, squeeze. Inhale, open your chest by pushing your arms back, exhale, back. Inhale and exhale, come back. You breathe in fully and breathe out. Breathe in and breathe out. Breathe in, active inhalation and exhalation with hissing sound, Ujjayi breathing. Keep doing. This also can be done 10 to 20 times, but I recommend you do 20 times each breathing, which will be very much helpful for strengthening the immune system. Keep doing. Now showing the slow version of this breathing, where you inhale, open your chest fully and hold the breath for 4 counts and slowly exhale. Inhale slowly and hold the breath for 4 to 5 seconds and you exhale slowly. You can slowly and gradually increase the timing of the retention of the breath, where you retain the breath, hold the breath and you exhale, come back. And you will see automatically in few days, within a week or 2, you will be able to hold the breath easily for more seconds, what you're doing now. Relax nicely in mudra. Now again completely effortless, smooth breathing flowing. You're focusing on the breath. Now next breathing, where you interlock your finger and keeping behind the head as if pushing the head towards the palms, and exhale like this. You squeeze. Inhale, open the chest fully, exhale, release all the air. Inhale, keep doing with the flow, exhale. Same breathing, Ujjayi breathing, hissing sound through the throat all the time. Continuously doing 10 to 20 rounds. Now in this also you can do the slow version of the breathing, which is necessary to hold the breath, retain the breath for some time to increase the lung capacity. Inhale, hold the breath and exhale. You can count 4 or 5 seconds or more than that to hold the breath. And every day when you practice these breathing exercises, you will feel your holding count is increasing day by day. The capacity of the lungs is increasing. Now relax. Hands in mudra. Being completely effortless, focused on the breathing, observing each and every breath. Now next breathing, where you inhale, raise your arms up, and when you breathe out, drop your arms down. Breathe in fully, breathe out fully, breathe in fully. Do the rhythmic breathing with proper inhalation and exhalation. Here also we are maintaining same Ujjayi breathing, hissing sound in the throat, where you inhale fully and exhale fully with the hissing sound. Maintain it. Keep doing 10 to 20 rounds. Here I'm showing almost 20 rounds. So keep doing with me. This also can be done in slow version, where you inhale, hold the breath and exhale down. Inhale, you retain the breath for few seconds. Exhale down. Like this you're doing 5 to 6 rounds of slow version. Fast we have done almost 20 rounds. And you relax before we start the next breathing exercise. Relaxation is very important after doing any breathing exercise. So there is a sequence of stimulation and relaxation in each and every breathing exercise, which improves your immunity. Next breathing, where you inhale, we call it Brastika breathing also. Bellows breath. Keep your palms like this. Inhale, stretch your arms over your head. Exhale down. Inhale, exhale forcefully. Inhale, exhale forcefully. So only in this breathing we are not maintaining Ujjayi breathing. This is a forcefully exhalation we are doing. Inhale normal, exhale forceful. Inhale normal, exhale forceful. Keep doing. Through the nostrils you are exhaling forcefully, using the nose. Keep doing. This also can be done 20 to 25 rounds at a stretch. This increases your lung capacity in no time. And then the slow version, where you inhale, pause for a few seconds and you exhale. Keep doing like this. Inhale, retain the breath. Exhale, release the breath. Inhale, then retain the breath. Exhale, release the breath with force. Now relax. Again relaxing nicely. Complete body is relaxing, breath is relaxed, and you're just focusing on the normal breathing, which is flowing without your efforts. Now for the next breathing, we have to sit in Vajrasana. So it is not compulsory to sit in Vajrasana, but preferably you should sit in Vajrasana for this breathing, where you hold your right wrist behind your back and you exhale, slowly go down, touch your head down, then inhale, lift yourself up, exhale, go down. Now here you need to remember you're breathing out through the humming bee sound. So here we change the breathing. We are breathing in normally, pause, and breathing out through the humming sound. We call it Brahmari breath also. This breathing is very good for stress management also. So in yogic practice, whatever you do, you get many other benefits also, as it is a holistic approach towards the good health. So in holistic approach, you do the thing for one, you do one asana or breathing for one problem, but you get many benefits in other problems too. So here this is very good for stress management. I am showing a slow version here. Inhale, then retain the breath, slowly exhale with humming bee sound. Touch your head down. If you have a big belly, you feel discomfort in this pose, then you can separate your knee and continue the same breathing exercise. And if you have a knee pain, knee injury, do not sit in Vajrasana. You can sit the cross leg and just do the half of this. Do not go fully down where your head touches down. But if you're normal, then you're suggestible to do this breathing in Vajrasana position only. Keep doing. This also can be done 10 to 15 rounds. Now you relax in child pose or Shashankasana, where you stretch your arms down, head touches on the floor, and you're relaxing in this pose. Or you can just lie down simply for 5 minutes in Shavasana. Sit back slowly. Namaste.